What's wrong? Something's broken!
What do you need?
Hang on!
Oh my God, we're about to die! We're about to die! Oh my God!
It won't go up!
What? What do you mean?
The collective is busted!
What?
It controls a plate up there, which tilts the rotors and controls the pitch. It's how we go up and down.
You guys,
That can't be good.
there's no way that's good news. Albino rhinos! They're indigenous to Jumanji. They're huge, white, scary, and stupid, and they eat people. No! They're getting close!
Oh!
My stomach's starting to bother me a little bit.
Go up!
I can't go up!
I think I had too many margaritas.
You guys, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna fix a helicopter. Yeah, tell me what to do.
You gotta connect the flight control rod to the mesh plate under the rotors.
Flight control rod, mesh plate, under the rotors.
Wait, what?
I'll be right back.
Spencer, where are you going?
Hurry up!
Be careful!
No, just hurry up!
All right, just gonna stand on this thingy. Pull myself up towards these deadly helicopter blades. Okay. There's the mesh plate. Here's that rod thingy.
Running out of time here, Spencer!
Got it! We made it! You did it! I thought we were gonna die. Oh. Yes!
Nice!
Thank you.
That was scary!
Thank you, guys.
Oops.
What?
I dropped the jewel.
What?
You dropped the jewel? I leaned over, thought I had to puke, and I didn't. And it came out my backpack. We need the freaking jewel! I know. That's the crazy part, because I know we need it. So we're in the pickle. We're in the pickle.
Alex, turn around. We gotta go back and get it.
Yeah, let's just loop around. Just look for it, guys. Everybody open your eyes. Let's all just look for it as a group. There, I see it.
What are they doing?
It's like they're protecting it or something.
All right, how are we gonna do this?
I don't know.
Well, you gotta go get it, right, buddy? What do you need? You need your boomerang? Maybe some scissors, a pipe wrench, some shoelaces. I'm your valet. Whatever you need, I can get it for you, okay? You just say the word. What?
I'm sorry, buddy.
Sorry for what?
Turn this around.
Heal! Heal! Oh my God!
Alex, get ready to roll us to the side.
What?
But I tell you, roll 90 degrees to the right. Now!
You just pushed me out the helicopter, jackass!